Now our topic is 10th maths statistics in that main, mode, median 4 marks questions. Okay na? Before watching this video, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Okay, coming to the topic, in this statistics I'm taking first one is mean. Mean means generally the sum of observations by number of observations. But whenever come to the 4 marks questions, it has two methods. Sorry, it has three methods. One is direct method. In this direct method, we can find the mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. So x bar equal summation fi xi by summation fi. Okay, na? This is the formula to find the mean by direct method. And the second method is step deviation method. Step deviation method. In this step deviation method, mean denoted by x bar is equal a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. This is the formula. A means assumed class interval, assumed observation. F means frequencies. So summation fi means sum of the all frequencies. H means class size of class interval or size of class interval. Fi is already. Mu I means xi minus a by h. So mu I values xi means. Okay? So leave it. You just remember the formula, and I will explain in the sum also. And one more method, assumed mean method. That is no need. Okay, na? These two are enough. So especially when the numbers in the sum are large, then use step deviation method. Okay, na? Otherwise you can use direct method. Okay, na? I'm taking one question. Let us take. Okay. First question: the daily wages of 80 workers of a factory given below. Find mean by appropriate method. So taken from March 17th. So what are the daily wages? 500 to 600. How many number of workers are there? 12. So 600 to 700, 17. 700 to 800, 28. 800 to 900, 14. 900 to 1000, 9. This is the question asking. What is asking? Mean wages by appropriate method. Okay na? See here the numbers numerically are very large. So use step deviation method. Okay na? Use step deviation method. So first of all, take daily wages as class interval. Daily wages as class interval. Next, number of workers taken as frequency fi frequency. Next, the class interval is there. Each class interval we have to write mid value. So 500 to 600 mid value 550. So that is taken as observation xi. That is taken as observation xi. Next, if you observe the formula, we are ready to use step deviation method. We need a value that comes in table. We need fi value. Okay, it is written, and h value also can be written by using class interval. And what is ui? So we want ui value. Ui means xi minus a by h. If you do not remember, then also no problem. Ui must write. Next, we have to write f into u. So one more table, one more column we need. That is fi into ui. So these are the required headlines. So I'm ready. First row has a first column 500 to 600, then 600 to 700, next 700 to 800, next 800 to 900, next 900 to 1000. Okay, these only 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 500 to 600 12, next 17, next 28, next 14, next 9. See here, sum of all frequencies, because of we need fi value also. Okay na? So 2 plus 7, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 9, 30, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. So sum of frequencies, summation fi. Value how much? 8. Next xi. Xi means what? Observations. Those are midpoint of 500 and 600. Mid value of class interval. What is the mid value? 550. Next 650. Next 750. Next 850. Next 950. Okay na? No need sum. Next ui. So okay na? Without doing this calculation, we can write if you take this is assumed value a, so immediately next value is 0, then 1, then 2, next 3, next 4. This is only simply we can write. Suppose if you like to take assumed this is a, so if you this is a, then 0, minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, like this we have to solve. Okay? So if you minus negatives are involved, we may get some confusion or we may get some wrong steps. That's why I'm taking all positives. So first one I have taken assumed value a. So then fi into ui. So multiply with fi into ui numbers. This is fi 12, here ui 0. 12 into 0, 0. Next fi 17, ui 1. 17 into 1, 17. Next 28 into 2, 56. Next 14 into 3, how much? 42. Next 9 into 4, 36. So this is the fi ui. We want to summation fi ui. So sum all these terms. 7 plus 6 13, plus 2 15, plus 6 21, 2 carry, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, plus 1 15. So 151. What is this? Summation fi ui value is 151. So we got complete table. For this complete table you will get 2 marks, and for simplification, writing formula and solution answer you will get 2 marks. Okay, we have to remember formula first of all. Write one by one. What is a value? What is a value? 550. So a equal 550. Next summation fi. What is summation fi? 80. Summation fi value 80. Next summation fi ui value. How much? 151. Summation fi ui value 151. Next h. Here h means what? H means size of the class or height of the class interval. Okay na? What is the height? Means difference. 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800. So 100, 100 is the difference. So that is taken as height of the class interval. So now mean means x bar. Mean equal x bar. What is formula? A plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h is equal. A means what? 550. Next plus summation fi ui value how much? 151. Summation fi value 80 into h value 100. See 0 0 cancel, and more or 2 4 ja 2 5 ja is equal 550 plus what is the remaining 4, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5 2, 755 by 4. Okay na? So what about 750 by 4? Okay na? I'm doing rough work. 755 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 35, 4 8 ja 32. Okay, 3 5 again 4 8 ja 32. So 3 is there. If you take point, it becomes 0. 4 7 ja 28. So 2 is there. 1 0 we can take. 4 5 ja. So plus 188.75. 550 plus. So add these two numbers. How much? 550, 188.75. So 0.75 as this. 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 7. So what is the answer? 738.75 is the mean daily wages. Is the answer. Okay. So here formula must we should write. Okay na? For formula also we get half mark. For this solution table we get 2 marks. Okay na? So you first remember the formula. This is the finding mean. I'll give you one more question. Second question. Find mean age of 100 residents of a colony from the following data. So March 19, last year question. Age in years and number of patients. 0 to 10, 10 members. 10 to 20, 15. 20 to 30, 25. 30 to 40, 25. 40 to 50, 10. 50 to 60, 10. 60 to 70, 5. So this is the question asking for find the mean. Okay, now just now we have solved a sum, first one. So like that, do this sum. Okay, using step division you can solve, or you can use direct method also. Okay, third one. If mean age of following frequency is 50, find value of k. So class interval 0 to 20, 17 frequency, 20 to 40, 20, 40 to 60, 32, 60 to 80, k, 80 to 100, 19. Okay, in this especially one frequency is not given, but mean is given. Okay, I'm using first one class interval, next to frequency, next to class interval mid values xi, next to this is fi into xi values, so this is enough because of we use direct method formula. What matla? Mean x bar equal summation fi xi by summation fi. So this is the main formula, direct method. So we just need f and x only. So these are enough. What is class interval? 0 to 20, next 20 to 30, next 30 to next to 40 to 60, next to 60 to 80, next 80 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I am checking is there any missed or not. The frequency 17, 20, 32, k writing separately. Next 19. So k as it is, k plus adding this 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18, 2 plus 3 5, 7 8. So k plus 88. This is summation fi value. Next xi values. Okay na? Midpoint of these two. 0 20 middle value 10. Next 20 40 middle value 30. Next 40 60 middle value 50. Next 70. Next 80 to 100 90. So these are the xi values, observations. fi xi. So f into x, 17 into 10 170. Next 20 into 30 600. 32 into 50. So 0 5 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 1 16. Next k into 70. I'm writing separately 70k. Next 19 into 90. So 0 first. 9 9 ja 81. 9 1 ja 9 8. 9 8 17. So next sum of these terms. 0 7 1 8 1 6 7 6 13 13 7 20. Next 1000 numbers 1 1 2 2 4 plus what is this 70k. So this is summation fi xi value. Okay, this is a table, but in the question mentioned that mean of 50. Okay na, mean age of following frequencies 50. So I'm writing one by one. So therefore summation fi value k plus 88 and summation fi xi value 70k plus 4080. Class check good equal to 50. What is mean formula? Summation fi xi by summation fi is equal 50 50. Now what is summation fi xi? 70k plus 4080 by summation fi. What is summation fi? K plus 88 is equal 50 50. Now cross multiplication, k plus 88 into 50. So this is as it is 70k plus 4080 is equal Okay, now multiplication 50 into k plus 88. 50 into k, 50k, 50 into 88, 0, 5 8 ja 40, 5 8 ja 44, 50k plus 40, which is called 70k plus 4080 equal. Okay, now 50k send left side. So 70k minus 50k is equal 4,400 as it is. Send 4080 to right side, becomes minus 4080. So subtract 50k from 70k, remaining how much? 20k is equal, subtract 4080 from 400. How much? 4400 minus 4080. 0, 2, 3, 320. How much? 320. So next to 20 send right side. So then we will get k value. So k equal 320 by 20. 0, 0 cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. What is k value? 16 is the k value. This is the solution. Okay. So fourth question. Find the missing letters F1 and F2 if mean of 50 observations given below is 36.4. So here mean is 36.4. How many observations are there? 50 observations are there. Okay, now 50 observations means what? Sum of all frequencies is nothing but 50. Okay, in that way we can understand. So mean of so and so is 36.4. So mean how much? Mean 36.4. Okay. First of all, write the table. Class interval. Next, frequency. Next, observations xi values. Next, fi into xi values. Okay, frequency, xi values, fi xi values. Interval how much? 0 to 10. Next, 10 to 20. Next, 20 to 30. Okay. Next, 30 to 40. Next, 40 to 50. Next, 50 to 60. Next, 60 to 70. Okay, now all fi values. First one 3. Second one 5. Next, f1 I am writing aside. Next 10. Next f2 also I am writing side. Next 8. Next 5. We have to all these values. This is f1 plus f2. f1 plus f2 plus. And what about this? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 8, 26 plus 5, 31. Okay, na? So this is summation fi value. How much? f1 plus f2 plus 31. Okay. Next, xi values. So xi means mid values. 0 to 10 mid value 5. Next to 10 to 20 mid value 15. Next 20 to 30 25. Next 30 to 40 35. Next 40 to 55 50 45. Next 55. Next 65. Then fi into xi. So 3 into 5. fi into xi. 3 into 5 15. 5 into 15 75. f1 into 25. So 25 f1. Okay. Next 10 into 35 350. Next f2 into 45 45 f2. Next 8 into 55. Okay, na? 8 5 ja 40. 8 5 ja 40. 440. Next 5 into 65. 5 5 ja 25. 5 6 ja 32. 325. So summing, adding these all terms. So this is 25 plus 25 f1 plus 45 f2 plus add this 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 1 carry 1 plus 7 8 8 plus 5 13 plus 4 17 plus 2 19 1 20 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12. So 12 not 5. This is the summation fi xi value. Got it, two values, and I'm writing given information. The number of observations are 50 here, 50 observations. So the number of observations got it, f1 plus f2 plus 31. So given that number of observations is equal how much? 50. So here number of observations got it, f1 plus f2 plus 31. So which is equal 50. So therefore f1 plus f2 equal 31 send right side, 50 minus 31 19. So taking as equation 1. So next to mean of so and so is 36.4 and given that mean equal 36.4. So what is mean formula? Summation fi xi by summation fi. Next is equal next to 36.4. Instead of mean I wrote formula. Next to what is fi xi? Fi xi value how much? 25 f1 plus 45 f2 plus 1205 by summation fi. What is summation fi? f1 plus f2 plus 31. f1 plus f2 plus 31 is equal 36.4. And moreover, from here f1 plus f2 plus 31 nothing but number of observations, that is 50. So instead of this we can write 50. And numerator as it is 25 f1 plus 45 f2 plus 1205 is equal 36.4. Next to 50 send right side, it goes to multiplication. So then 25 f1 plus 45 f2 plus 1205 is equal, okay now, send right side, 50 into 36.4, how much? 5 4 ja 20, 5 6 ja 32, 5 15 ja 15, 18 20, okay na, 50 into 36.4, how much? 18 20. Next to 1205 send right side. So 25 f1 plus 45 f2 equal 1205 send right side. So 1820 minus 1205. 1820 minus 1205. How much? 5 1 7 minus 2 5. 515 got it. Can we take anything common? 5 we can take common to reduce the terms. So in 25 it will come in 5 table 5 ja. So 5 f1 in 5 table 5 9 ja plus 9 f2 in 5 table 5 1 ja 5. Here is it 515? No. Yeah, 8 minus 2 6. Sorry, it is 615. Okay, I am taking 5 common in all terms. 5 common in 5 table 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 5 3 ja. So equation 2. So we have to solve equation 1 and 2. After solving 1 and 2, we will get f1 and f2 values. Okay na? Here f1 coefficient is 1. Here f1 coefficient is 5. So what I am doing? Equation 2 as it is I am writing 5f1 plus 9f2 equal 123. So equation 1 I am multiplying with 5. Okay na? 5 into equation 1. So 5 into f1. 5f1 plus 5 into f2. 5f2 is equal 5 into 19. How much? 5 9 ja 45, 5 1 ja 5 4, 95. Subtracting to cancel f1. And what is the 9f1 minus 5f2? 4f2 is equal 13 minus 5, 8, 11 minus 9, 2. So f2 equal 28 by 4, 4 7 ja, f2 equal 7 is the f2 value. Now to get f1, substitute f2 in equation 1. Equation 1 substitute. So f1 plus f2, what is f2? 7 equal 19. So f1 equal 19 minus 7. f1 equal how much? 8. So these are the required answers. Okay na? We focus on this mean, especially step deviation method, most important. Okay na? That is easy. This also we can have to learn after that learn this. Next second concept, mode and median. Those are very simple and very easy. Let us see how much it is easy. Okay, 4 marks questions. Mode. So mode formula is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. L means lower boundary of modal class. F1 means modal frequency. F0 means preceding modal frequency. F2 means succeeding of modal frequency. H means same size of the class interval. Okay. Let us see how can we define f0, f1, f2 in the sum. Interval frequency. We just have to write only 2 tables. Okay na? Only question as it is right table. That is only 10 to 20. Next 20 to 30. Next 30 to 40. Next 40 to 50. Next 50 to 60. Frequencies 1, 6, 7, 4, 2. In this frequencies, what is F1 means? Which is highest value? 1, 6, 7, 4, 2, 7 is the highest value. That is F1. After F1, next one is F2. Okay na? Before F1 is F0. So this is the model class. So what is model class? What is model class? 30 to 40. So in this least term, lowest term 30. Therefore L equal 30. Next F0 equal 6. F1 equal 7. F2 equal 4. Next what is remaining? H. H means height of the class interval 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 means 10, 10, 10 difference. So H is equal how much? 10. So now mode formula. What is mode formula? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L value 30 plus F0 value, sorry F1 7 minus F0 6 by 2F1 means 2 into F1 7, next minus, next F0 6, next minus, next F2 4 into H value 10. See how much is it? Highest one is F1, least one is next before F0 after F2. Is equal 30 plus 7 minus 6 1. 2 7 ja 14, right? Next minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Okay na, there is no multiplication minus into minus plus. That is just minus 6 minus 4 means minus 10 into 10. Next 30 as it is, mode equal 30 plus 1 into 10 10 by 14 minus 10 how much? 4. 2 2 ja 2 5 ja. Next 30 plus 5 by 2 means what? 2.5. So 32.5 is the mode. Is the solution. Okay na? Very simple and very easy. So let us take one more question. I will give you and try to solve. I am taking 6th question. This is also previous. You just wait. Now mode, class interval, frequency. 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Okay na? 6, 7, 9 to 1. So find mode. This is also March 15th question. This is the mode. It's a very very easy concept among these three concepts. Okay na? Next last method is median. This is the last one. Median concept. Third one, L plus n by 2 minus F by F into H. F means frequency, H means height of the class interval, CF means cumulative frequency, N means number of observations, L means lower boundary of median class. Okay, the weight of 40 students in a class given below. Find median weight of students. So June 18th question. Weight in kg 30 to 35, 4 number of students, 35 to 45, 40 to 45, 10, 45 to 50, 8, 50 to 55, 8, 55 to 60, 5. So I am writing in class interval first one, next frequency, next less than, next cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. These three only. Median. Median. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. For mode, only 2 columns. Okay, class interval 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Frequency 4, 5, 10, 8, 8, 5. So sum of frequencies how much? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 8, 25 plus 8, 30, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, 40 students, so sum of 40. How can we write cumulative frequency? It is also used less than type cumulative Ogive curve. So same as well as first 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 30 plus 5, 40. This is cumulative frequency. Okay, now how can we define F, CF, N, H, L? Let us see. Okay, and one request, please subscribe and like, share with your friends, and also Vogue calls also taught in other video. For Vogue calls also very important. For that, search in YouTube. You can watch. Okay. Here what is n value? Here taking as n, summation fi nothing but n, 40. So n equal to 40. Therefore n by 2 equal how much? 40 by 2 equal 20. Okay, now where it comes in cumulative frequency? In 4, 20 vastunda radu. In 9, it doesn't come. Below 19, 20 come? No. Below 27, 20 come? Yes. In 27, 20 comes. So it is taken as, this is the median class and 8 is the frequency. So before one preceding, that is taken as cumulative frequency 19. Okay na? So 20 comes in 27, not 19, not 9, not 4. We have to come from top to bottom. So in 27 it comes. So 27 underlined as it is median class 45 to 50. This is frequency. So one preceding frequency, that is cumulative frequency. What is median class? 45 to 50. Okay now. So median class how much? 45 to 50. So that implies L equal to what? 45. Okay. What is F value? 8. F value 8. What is CF value? 19. CF value 19. What is H? Height of this size? 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 means H value 5. Therefore, median equal to formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L means what? 45 plus n by 2 value 20 minus CF value 19 by F value 8 into H 5. So simplifying we get answer. 20 minus 19, 1 by 8 into 5. So is equal 45 plus 5 by 8. 5 by 8 how much? 5 divided by 8. 8 6 ja 48. 2 0 we can take. 8 2 ja 16. 4 0 8 5 ja 40. So 0.625, which is equal 45 plus 0.625 is equal 45.625 is the median. So this is the median how to find. So in the next last question, let us see. Last question. Median of 60 observations is 28.5. Find value of x and y. Okay na? Here number of observations are 60. Median is 28.5. So given class interval, frequency, cumulative frequency. What is first class interval? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, next 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay, next to frequency 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5. These are the variables, that's why I am writing aside. X plus y, this is. What about this? 5 plus 20, 25 plus 15, 40 plus 5, 45. So this is small n value. Okay, now or we can define summation fi also. But in formula used n, so also we are writing n. What about cumulative frequency? First one is 5. Next 5 plus x, that is x plus 5. Next x plus 5 plus 20. X plus 5 plus 25. Next x plus 25 plus 15. X plus 40. X plus 40 plus y. X plus y plus 40. X plus y plus 40 plus 5. X plus y plus 45. Okay now? Here we just adding only numbers, variables writing as it is. In this, how can we find a median class? Because of there is no possibility of by 2. But given that median of 60 observation is 28.5. So 28.5 we have to search in class interval, because of the answer always can be seen in the class intervals also. So 28.5 where it is? 28.5 in between 20 and 30. So this is F, this is CF, This is median class. So therefore, given that median is 28.5, so that implies median class is equal 20 to 30. It comes between 20 and 30. That's why it is taken as median class. So in this, what is least value? L value 20. So L value 20. Therefore, F value how much? 20. F also 20. CF how much? Preceding x plus 5. Okay na? And x plus y plus 45, nothing but sum of all observations. So all observations given 60, and given that number of observations is equal to 60. From here, number of observations x plus y. So x plus y plus 45 equal 60. Therefore, x plus y equal 45, and right side becomes minus 45. So 60 minus 45, 15. So x plus y equal 15. Equation 1. Okay. This is the information. Now using formula, median is given 28.5, and median formula I'm writing down L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is equal 28.5. What is L value? 20 plus n by 2 value. See here, n means we can say x plus y plus 45, or we can say n equals 60. So given that n equals 60, so n by 2 equal 60 by 2 equal 30. So this is better to write 30 minus CF. What is CF? Minus of x plus 5. So CF మొత్తానికి మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి CF వాల్యూ మొత్తానికి మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి. By F much 20 into H value. What is the height of the class interval? 10. 10 is equal 28.5. See, 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja. 20 plus 30 minus x minus plus 5 means minus 5 by 2 is equal 28.5. So 30 minus 5 how much? 25. 25 minus x. 25 minus x by 2 is equal 28.5. See here, it is plus 20. Plus 20 I am sending right side. So it becomes minus 20. So 25 minus x is equal by 2 equal 28 minus 5 means 20 means how much? 8.5. So 25 minus x is equal 2 into 8.5. 2 8 is 16, 17. We want x value. You know? Okay. So minus x keep it is 17. 25 is on right side, minus 25. Minus x is equal minus 8. So minus minus cancel, x is equal to 8. So got it x value? One of x value got it. Next we want y value. So substitute x value in equation 1. So x plus y equal 15. X means 8 plus y equal 15. So y equal 18 minus 15 minus 8. Therefore y equal to 7. This is the solution. These are the 4 marks questions from the statistics. Two 4 marks questions we can expect. One from Ogee curves, one from this mean median mode. Okay na concepts. So Ogee curves I taught in another video, and this mean median mode taught in one video. So among these 8 questions, if you learn, you can definitely reach 4 marks questions. So you will get 4 marks from the exam. So please subscribe and like, share with your friends, and also all the best. Thank you.